And we're live and alive on the Facebook page on Basketballista. It's LaSalle versus our defending champion, UP. First five on LaSalle.
May anak ko naman po ito. Cesar, no? Diyos ko. Dati
We're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's UP versus LaSalle. Our defending champion UP versus our runner-up LaSalle. It's game rep.
Nag-meeting ka pa. One. Umak. Umali. Aywa, Tantan, Tamos.
Nava. Umali. Steal on Basilio. Now Rendon, now reigning MVP to De Torres. De Torres for jumper. Too strong. Tap. Kadusale. In and out. Out. Tap again by Basilio. Down. Rebound on Simbako. Foul on Tolentino. First personal foul on Tolentino first against UP. Now La Peguera. Carried by De Torres. La Peguera. Looking for Camus outside. Umali. Strong move. Umali. Traveling violation. It's turnover on LaSalle. It's 9 minutes. It's LaSalle versus the defending champion UP. Now St. Martin de Porres. Kadusale. 14 to shoot. Too strong. Basilio again. De Torres. Black. Tolentino. Whoa! Tolentino. 2-0. 2-point lead on the defending champion UP. Now Camus. First basket. Too strong. Rebound on Kadusale. Top. Now De Torres. De Torres looking to Basilio. Pass De Torres. Turnover. Against UP. Now La Peguera. Camus again. Same position, Camus. Wow! Exhibition pass by Camus. Turnover, back-to-back turnover on LaSalle. De Torres, Kadusale. Black by La Peguera. Simbako. Camus. Still by Kadusale. Now the reigning MVP. Rendon drop. Rendon goes to coach. Rendon! Now 4-0. It's a 4-0 run against the defending champion UP. La Peguera. La Peguera, stop pump, pulo jumper, too strong. Rebound again, De Torres. In 7 minutes and 10. De Torres now. Wow, Rendon. Umali. Last touch on foul. Foul on Rendon. First personal foul on the reigning MVP Rendon. Second team foul, UP. Nice defense on LaSalle. 20 resets at 20. Nava. Too strong. Top. Umali. Stop up. Umali. Still by Tolentino. Now, Basilio. Time out rep. On LaSalle. It's 6 against 0. 6-0 run on the defending champion UP in 6 minutes and 28 seconds.
Thank you.
May mga bola dyan, no? May pang bola dyan, may isang bola. May bola kayo stick. Ano yun, yung isa? Bago to eh, isang linggo lang. Yan mo yan. O isa. Ah, sorry. Yung nga kanina, ginamit nyo, last. Isang linggo lang yun eh. Lasal, ball, Lasal. This is our second game, second match. Welcome back, Cesar. From offshore. Now Nava. Camus, stop. Looking for Nava. Big. In and out. Carusale. Now Tolentino drive. Tolentino! 8-0. It is 8-0 run by the defending champion UP. Nava. Pass to La Figuera. First basket. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On La Figuera. 5-8-3. 5-point lead now. On UP. Di Torres. Pass to Carusale. Hey. Carusale, sidestep. Carusale, yo-yo, boom! Carusale, 8-10-3. It's 7-point lead now. On UP. Nava, guarded by Di Torres. Nava. Camus. Nice pass to Simbaco. Yes, on Simbaco to now 5-10. 5-point lead now, UP. It's 5 minutes and 20 seconds. You are live and alive on the Facebook page of Basketballista Carusale. Favorite shot. Too strong. Nava. Nava to La Figuera. 7-10. Time out on UP. It's 7-10. 3-point lead now, UP. It's 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Still we're live and alive on Facebook page of Basketballista. This is our second game, last match. It's the defending champion UP versus our runner-up, LaSalle. Now, Di Torres. Drive, stop up. In and out again. Nice rebound by Tolentino. Umali. It's 2-1. Tolentino again. Pow! On number 10 on Umali. First on Umali, first team foul, LaSalle. It's 4 minutes and 43 seconds.
Nice one!
11-7, back to 4-point lead on the defending champion UP. Now Nava. Again, and now Tolentino. It's Tolentino looking for the point guard. Di Torres drive, goes to coast. Di Torres. Now Umali. It's 2-1. 1-1. Umali drive. Yes, on Umali. 9:13. 4 minutes. Back to 4-point lead on UP. Di Torres again. Nice pass down there. Tolentino. No! Di ba ang Nava, it's 3-1. Nava, stop pump. In and out. Camus, stop.
Simbaco.
Pow! Foul on Carusale. First on Carusale, 13 foul on UP. It's 3 minutes and 47 seconds. 10-13. 3-point lead now, UP.
Laban nyo!
Di Torres, nice fake. In and out.
Nice one!
Laying now in triangulation. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Nava. Camus. Short. Di Torres. Tolentino to Rendon. Lovely help shot. Rendon, Tolentino. Yes, no, Tolentino now 15 against 10. It's 5-0 run now by UP. Top by Tolentino. Now Di Torres. 3 minutes. To Torres, escape. Di Torres step handed too strong. O'Malley. To Nava. Simbako. Oh! In and out. Now Carusale. Rendon. Wow! What a cross by Rendon. It's 17-10. It's 7-point in now UP. La Peguera. Stop. Pump. In and out. Tolentino. Now Di Torres again. Short. Nava. It's 3-on-2. Nava.
Simbako.
Simbako. Turnover. Back-to-back turnover on Lasal. It's 3 minutes. This is our second game, second match, and we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Basilio. In and out. Umali again. To Nava. La Peguera.
Rivera.
Black by Basilio. Now Di Torres. Rendon pa. Foul again on Umali.
Second.
Second personal foul on Umali and second team foul, Lasal. Eighteen to 10, 18 against 10. 14 to set shot clock, 14.
Ayaw pa-shoota!
Whoa! Tolentino. 1 minute and 29 seconds. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Nava. 1 minute and 15.
Laban nyo!
Short. Black. Umali. Nava. Short. Top. Carusale. Now Di Torres.
Laban nyo!
50 seconds.
Aywa.
Wow.
Simbako.
Foul on Simbako. 13 foul on Lasal. First against Simbako. It's 47 seconds. 20 against 13. 7-point lead UP.
Tapos na laro sa taas? Meron.
21-13.
Ay, hindi ako. Kaya dito.
22 against 13. Nava. Camus.
Tanda.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Camus. 30 seconds.
Defenso!
20 seconds. 40 to shoot. Now Camus.
Ay, ka!
It's 2-1. La Peguera. Camus. Fake. Wow! It's 7 seconds. 7. 7 seconds. Rendon, all the way. Go, go, go. Yes, on Rendon. It's 24-16 on the first quarter. Second quarter ready, second quarter. Second quarter.
Gusto mo rin ano yung nakakan. Gusto mo rin. Ina-chance yun.
Oh, players, stacking tayo players, stacking. It's UP ball, UP. Second game, second quarter.
Bantay! Wala!
Short, top by King James, run. Now Fernandez. Drive, pass to Peralta, short rebound on Umakov. Umakov to Atomic Bomb, Escalante, now 26, against 16. It's 10-point lead now on defending champion UP. Now Peralta. Fernandez, Barroso. Whoa! Great move by Barroso. 18-26. Back to 18-point lead, 8-point lead by UP. Umakov. Atomic bomb again. Bang! On the atomic bomb. Escalante. Fernandez. Ah. 16 to shoot, 16. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. 16 to shoot.
Hey, tatakbo yun eh, tagadulo yun eh, alam mo yan.
King James, Barroso again. Whoa! 20 to 28. 8-point lead now, UP. Now, Mako. Air ball. King James. King James now, it's 3-on-3. King James right. King James, I said King James. Bang! Basket count and one on the King James. Who's correct? Foul on number 15. On Tiro Santos. 22-28. Whoa! 23-28. 5-point lead now, UP. It's a 6-0 run. Yeah. Oh, Tiro Santos. 30 against the 23. In 6 minutes and 48 seconds. King James. Again! What a play by King James to Barroso. It's 30 to 25. 5-point lead by defending champion UP. Umakov.
Bantay na sal!
Tiro Santos. In and out. Now rebound on King James. King James. Steve by Tiro Santos. It's 3-on-2. Tiro Santos to Captain Mirel. Captain to the captain. Oh! What a shot on the captain. 32 to 25. 7-point lead now on UP. It's 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Ah! What a good shot. Rebound on James. James, take the shoot. Bren. Short. Peralta to Bren. In and out. Now on comments. Block by Fernandez. Time out on UP. It's 32 to 25, 7-point lead on defending champion UP. And we're still alive and live in the Facebook page on Basketballista.
Bayad yan, bayad yan. Bayad. Bayad, 7 dirham. Kaya na? Gusto mong dalawang pula? Sige lang, sige lang.
Umako! De Los Santos, outside, the atomic bomb. In and out. Rebound on King James. Now it's 4 on 5. King James, Barroso, drive Barroso. Bang! On Barroso. 27 to 32. Now Umako. Cardinal Fernandez, Umako, hook shot. Yes! On Umako. 34 to 7. 7-point lead back to UP. Fernandez. Short. Rebound on Cummins. Score and UP lead by 7 points, 34 to 27. Again, Umagob. Captain Medel. Umagob fake. Umagob. Sidestep. Umagob. Yes on Umagob. 36-27. Back to 9-point lead on UP. King James. Looking for Barroso. Peralta. Open shot. In and out. Top. Now King James. 14 is central. King James side cell. Pass to Bren. 10 to shoot.
Ay. Yalla, shoot!
Wow.
Huwag mag-shoot eh.
Foul on De Los Santos. First team foul on UP. First on De Los Santos. In and out. Still we're live on the Facebook page by Basketballista. It's second game, second match, LaSalle versus the defending champion UP. It's 28 to 36. Back to 8-point lead on UP. Umaku.
Aywan.
Oh, short! Yes, on Captain Medel. 38-28. In and out. Rebound again on Captain Medel. It's Captain Medel versus 4-2. Captain Medel grab. Captain Medel! All over Captain Medel. It's 14 to 28. Back to 12-point lead on UB. Bren. Top. Comments. To Magog. 2 minutes. Captain Medel again. Time out. LaSalle, it's 42 against the 28.
Titan na niyo laog. Titan. Ana. Delta.
Now, Captain Medel, 8 points now in the ball game. 8 points only in the second quarter. Captain Medel. Now, Fernandez. Peralta. King James, 10 to shoot.
Aywan. Friend.
Whoa! Bren! The giant Bren, 42 to 30. 12-point lead on UP. Comments. Wow, what a great shot stepping side by Cummins. It's 44 against the 30. 14 point lead now on UP. King James. Fernandez again.
Aywa.
Too strong. Cummins, 55 seconds. Captain Medel. Now, kick ball. 50 seconds, 50.
Sorry.
Now, King James, 40 seconds. Yes, oh, King James. 25 seconds.
Pensa!
20 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Pensa!
5 to shoot.
Nice one! Hey! Nakuha yun!
And now for second quarter score, 44 against 32. Still favor of LaSalle. Third quarter, ready, third quarter. Ball game. UP ball. LaSalle ball, LaSalle. Inbounding the captain, Ibrahim. Bring it on. Now Nava. Sumitan. Alcantara. Yes, on Alcantara. It's 44-34.
Hoy, ikaw lang magtao. Yung ano, ulo nila, ulo mo.
Basilio. In and out. Wow! Wonder rebound by the captain. Rugenon. Now Sumitan side up. Bang! On the Sumitan now 36 to 44. 8 point lead now UP. Now Basilio. Top. Same ball, same ball. It's 14 the set shot clock 14.
Aywa.
Foul! Basket count and one on the reigning MVP Rendon. Foul on Sugitan. First on LaSalle, first personal foul on Sugitan. It's 46 to 36. A 10-point lead UP again. And we are live on Facebook page by Basketballista. Now Nava. Carried by Torres. Alcantara. Reganon. Troubling violation, troubling. 8 minutes and 30 seconds.
Tao mo lang, walang nila. Ikaw magtao dyan. Kaya para nila kasi, lapitan mo na.
14 to shoot.
Aywa.
Short. Now Reganon. Tunaba. Cabana. Still by Tolentino. Foul. Foul on number 12 on Reganon. Second team foul on LaSalle. First against Reganon. Now the Torres. 10 to shoot. 5. Subidan. Alcantara. Tolentino. Turi Torres. Drive. Foul. Foul on 0-0 on Nava. 13 foul on Lasal.
Wala nung record na Christian Walker. Naku, hindi mo napanood yung highlights ni Cap.
14 to shoot.
Only 500. No, 12. Now 800 all. 800. 800 all before 300. This is each game.
Dalawa sa atin.
Usman Rep. Foul on number 15. On Sikitan. Warning for penalty on Lasal. Counted Rep.
Pangapat to, pangapat.
Now 50 to 36. It's 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Pangima. Parisad na. Sa lawan ko pa. Opinion na sa
Still again. Now Basilio all the way on Basilio. 52 to 36. It's 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
lima.
Whoa! Sikitan 38 to 52. It's green ball. Lasal. 5 minutes.
Pwede na mag-sub.
Sub, rep, sub, rep, sub. Sub, rep, sub. Paolo ano Mako. Substitution rep, sub. Nava, Regenon. Back to Nava. Cabana. Hook, short. Sukitan. Yes, on Sukitan. Now 40 to 52. Back to 12 point lead on UP. Foul. Penalty. Third personal foul on Regenon. $83 to 40 now. 53 against 40.
Torres.
$54 against 40. Basilio. And you run. 14 to shoot.
Torres.
Basilio again. 14 to shoot. Second. 14. Cummins. 10 to shoot. Whoa! Cummins.
Hindi na miss.
Alcantara.
ICS Municipality.
Bang bang.
Yun out. Nava again. Yes on Nava, 42.
Never.
Against 56, 3 minutes. Same ball, same ball. 14 is at set clock 14. Stop, release na, release na.
Basilio.
Yes on Basilio. Bang! Basket down and one. On Sugitan. Time out. On Lasal. Second team foul on Lasal. Foul on Torres. First on Torres. Oh, number 13. Basilio. Foul on Basilio. Few minutes and 13 seconds.
Parang time out yung play ko yan. Lakas magsabi ng tao-tao dyan.
Sure! Relax lang.
In and out. 2 minutes. Torres. Ten shoots. Comments 5 to shoot. Wow, too strong. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Whoa! Torres!
Euro step pa eh.
Cabana. Reganon. Nava. In and out. It's 1 minute and 10 seconds. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, no, Mako. 1 minute. $55 seconds.
Shot, share the ball! Ay, hindi pa sure ang ball na.
40 seconds. Fourteen to shoot. 30 seconds. 5 to shoot.
Oh no.
Ano? Sige yun! Woo! Shot pa yun!
Yes, on Nava. 15 seconds.
Oh, Paula!
10. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, no, Mako! And our third quarter score, 66 to 46, 20-point lead on UP. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. Rep, ball game rep.
Kuya Sal, kaya yan! Susuko! Pantay!
In and out by De Los Santos. It's Lasal ball. Lasal.
Ha?
Talagang yung sundo mo sila.
Okay, sulod.
Turnover on the green shirts, Lasal. Oh! Captain Medel! 68 to 46.
Tay, sa ilalog, tay. Shoot na yan, shoot.
Wow, Barroso from King James.
Kita nyo.
Captain
Ano?
Medel! Shot!
Good job.
Ilalaw, ilalaw.
Now La Peguera.
Shoot the ball.
Yes, on La Peguera. 50 against 68. It's 7 minutes and 30 seconds.
Tiket, tiket.
Too strong. Count. Reigning MVP. Yes, on Rendon. Too strong. Tap.
Yes mo na. Sa ilalim.
James. Side step. Coast to coast. Too strong. Tap. Rendon.
Shoot that ball.
Black by James. Whoa! Rendon. Reigning MVP. The air fly, Sugitan. It's 7 minutes and 20 seconds. 72 against the 52. Big. Whoa! Captain Medel. Now 74 to 52.
Support, support. Woo, support na. Support na sa ilalim.
King James. Ow! Basket count and one of King James. Foul on number 69 ng Captain Medel. First on Captain Medel. First team foul UP. Basket substitution direct. Basket substitution. Captain Medel again. Left-handed shot. Oh, in and out. Now Barroso to King James. King James is 3 on 2. 4 on 2. King James. Barroso. Side step. Third. Side step again. La Peguera. In and out. King James again. King James. Barroso. Yes on Barroso. Now 56 to 74. 6 minutes. 18-point lead on UP. King James. Barroso. Short. Short. Short again. Now Sugitan. Short again. Now rebound on Captain Medel. Now the captain.
Substitution.
Now Rendon. Foul. Timeout on Lasal. It's 74 against the 56.
Iniwan nila? Atin. Yan lang.
Aw.
Mama, ayos na.
5 minutes and 16 seconds.
Parang hindi mo parang hindi mo pinagod ah.
Ay, hindi halata. Boss Mike, hindi halata.
Kaya nga eh.
Kikay!
Alam mo, yung shit lay up ah.
Gusto niyo ng oras.
Alam mo rin talaga kahinaan ng mga babae. ah.
Ten to shoot.
Naghahiya niya akong silingan eh.
Hi!
Aywa!
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On the Torres.
Dito, res, dos.
It's 4 minutes and 44 seconds. It's all UP game. 77 against the 56. 21 point lead on UP. Our defending champion UP.
Tolentino.
Comments. 10 to shoot. Four minutes and 10 seconds.
Simbakol. Tantan! Tantan! Ay no! Malas.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On the Los Santos. Time out! On UP, it's 3 minutes and 28 seconds.
Putik na yun. Panglang ng lasal eh.
3 minutes and 10. Fourteen shoots.
Bing bang.
Short. Top. Naba. Same ball, same ball. It's 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Tolentino, 14 to shoot. In Torres. 10. Comments. 5 to shoot.
Sugatan. Sugatan.
2 minutes and 20 seconds. O'Malley. Top. Nava.
Never.
Again, in and out. Substitution rep, substitution. Last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Kentucky Fried Chicken, Mang Tomas, Sarsa, and Katol Baygon. 1 minute 48 seconds. Tolentino. Nava. Ah, Captain Nadalagan! Oh, Captain Melo! Bang! Nava!
Vinis Buenas eh.
Good job!
Stop! Si Torres.
Alis na lang tayo. Ako lang.
Ay, wow.
Kuha kayo ng violation ng Canusalit. Turnover! On Canusalit, 1 minute!
Alis nila. Alis nila.
Sugitan.
Bang, bang.
Bow! Air Sugitan. Foul on number 7 on Tolentino. 50 seconds. Second team foul on UP. 2 free throw shot from the air flies Sugitan. 59, 82, 52 seconds. Now de Los Santos. 40 seconds.
Ay, wow.
In and out. Foul. Foul on Captain Medel. Now first personal foul on Captain Medel. Second team, third team foul. UP.
Yan yun ah.
Yes on Sugitan.
Parang magkasakit sila.
Bantay, bantay.
Wala naman.
Wala na.
Dapat ganun naman dapat.
10 seconds.
Dapat. Diretso. Atak mo lang.
Bang, bang.
5 seconds.
Ay, wow.
Oh, Captain Minil. For 3.
Ay, wow.
And for Marina UP.